Welcome back to another Windrose tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss how you can solve the issue of your character getting stuck within your game. So let's get started right away. Since this is still the pre-ordered version of the game, and the game is still in the beta version, we might encounter some inconsistencies, such as our player might get stuck at some time, or during random moments of the game. If this happens while you are playing, just press the escape button to pause your game. From here you will find this unstuck button just above settings. Go ahead and click on it, and you will see a warning that will let you know that your character will die, and it will be resurrected at the last revival point. This is only to be used if your character cannot move at all, and as it is mentioned within the warning, the character will die, and all of the items that we possess will be lost as well. We will need to go back to the spot in order to get back these items. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the issue if your character gets stuck on the Windrose game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials, just like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.